Hi guys, it's your girl Kaden Official, and for this video we are doing something a little bit different. This is my first movie. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section because you know so this is gonna be a banger. I'm gonna ask Christ. Please remember to share, tell a friend to click on the movie. This one is called Stepmother, and there's such a movie as one. I'm not talking it out. You understand me? Boom!
Daddy?
Yeah. Tata, what you want now?
You know I said mommy sent me down here to come and leave door.
This one piece of be trouble you get down there.
No, she said she tired of me.
So why, how
you not help her.
But somebody said money go give him a week time.
But she not give me no money, Daddy. Enough time me I figure school out lunch money.
Here now. If you come up here, you have to be yourself, you know. Because me say I get be a trouble down there, you know.
I like that, Daddy.
I be a trouble, me say I get down there, you know. If you come up here, you have to be yourself, you know.
I like that, Daddy. Normally me dey on my phone and sitting. Me I leave a talk.
So me say I fight down there.
Me
I be
fight
like a cousin them.
No, I know me cousin them.
Oh.
I want girl with it that trouble me.
I tell your mother about it. And if your mother agree if you come up here, you can't come back and live.
So Daddy, now she tell me say if you come down here.
No, probably just say more when you get him angry, that's why he says so.
Alright, Daddy.
So make sure say that here.
Yes, Daddy.
Hello.
Yeah, listen on Bill Father.
You know say me I hear one little thing say the girl come up here and say you say you don't want him down there. How what happen?
Listen, but now no man and some man and them something there. I'm a man can't mind but I should have no respect.
So make you make him man what happened between him and your man?
Me don't know my man just tell me say she not have no manners and me must say now come give him respect sometime because you said those I can't mind with me, you know. And you say now mind no to do with no respect the Bill Father, me still ain't truth.
So you're willing to make him come back and stay?
You know, make you stay with us for a while.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, me I tell you say bad man. You know say you do have money. That's what me I say. You know what me do? The same to a make a couple like beat him up, you know. And broke on their hand them and they put them, you know. Yeah man, I don't want to forward you man, but you true me I consider say you true me I look at daughter. And everybody see me daughter on the road and listen. So I just think about something for me. Make the wrong move, you know.
Yeah, resolve certain things and already go on.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
A nice girl that come here and you say, nah, try your look or somewhere.
Yeah man, she look nice from afar still, but wait till she come up here somewhere make you and say what go on. No?
Yeah, girl, me I walk go shop because my mother said me go buy 1 2 on the floor.
Hello, what go on darling?
Good evening.
How you look so fine? How you look so fine girl?
Good evening.
God know me not tell you it's a blessing. You come like a you me I wait for all day. You know say my frustrated and I tell you something. God know for me see me moment just light up.
Why is that?
Because we see everything in your girl. I tell you say, I've been single for a long time, you know. About 12 years now, I'm single, you know. 12 years? Yeah, 12 years. I can't bother with the conversation. type of girl, I know. So, but you like a one nice girl, like if it be an angel of the life, you know.
If you find out, anyway, I'm gonna send my glass up, so give me a number.
Alright, my number 555
555
405
405
42. Yeah.
And I will say,
My name Anjan.
and John,
Yeah.
interesting. Your mother did hi. When she give birth to you?
Hey, I just want them do them, man. They know say me not tell like God no. But I want to see you later. If it's possible.
I'll let you know. I will call you.
Yeah.
Alright? You have a
Take
bank
care,
cash
yeah.
up for Mother Miserable. No one can have money. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Oh, go on.
There's so much.
Sure, man. I tell you, say, baby. And look at me for a long time we are talk though.
6 months.
You know, if you say you can't afford time you come home, come live with you know. Because my daughter needs somebody, you know, to guide her, you know. You know, say me a man, understand? I'm a one womanly person. Roll my daughter to teach her some things so when she grow up, no man can abuse her and treat her like a shit.
That's
You
true.
understand? Because when I see the young girl that go and do nowadays, I can't understand it. But me I tell you since I feel say through how long we talk, I feel say maybe I can teach my daughter one or two things how to be a woman in her life. You understand? And our people not too like her neither, you know. They not too like her.
I see she how much? 13?
She at 13, they not too like her. Nobody not like her. Because she rude, but me know say you will take care of her, man. And try to teach her some things, you know.
Yeah.
Even though she rude, but as a mother you show her things, man.
Yeah, man. I understand what you say be and a fact, so I don't want to just move out so still. I will go up and talk to my mother and make sure know what's going to go on. And you talk to your daughter, and then by later you can come care of me. You know, stuff there.
Yeah, enough of that. You want something to drink?
Yeah.
You know, see a nice girl. Jan, come on. Half as a Kingston. Okay.
I want flash?
Yeah, 1 plus. Like I love a Kingston though, but I want anything though, you know. White rum.
Kingston Central, man.
I tell you, John, no, it's a day like this. I hope many days you can sit down and have a cheers and drink.
Cheers,
Listen.
yes. The new life.
Yeah,
And happy family.
true. Because you're nice. You're nice, believe me. And you've been my wife long time.
Say, man.
Everything we are doing together.
I want to go and meet your daughter and so. That's not what I really
Yeah, man, you meet her, man. Like you are, man. A nice girl, you know?
remember saying we see her already, but we never really get to talk like that, so we never talk tonight when we go.
Yeah.
Alright. Where we in a fall?
Yeah. One night, my daughter want me.
Hi, baby girl.
See me bring Jordan come here. My daughter see me bring Jordan come here, so finally I can meet him. Finally, me know say I want him to come. So she should come here now. Now we can be a good, big, happy family. No, we have no stress. Nobody can stress and beat until we when if we do, what we do. Yes.
Alright.
Daughter.
Hi. What's your name again? Yeah, Britt. Yeah, Britt. Alright, so...
Why? What me can do to get this little girl to go back down to her mother? Because I don't really like man with pitney, you know. Oh, me have a plan. Watch for near you. Yeah, man.
Okay?
And she want a good lady. She can take good care of you.
That's I will.
And see my daughter bright. Say I pick up her book. Yeah,
That's
man.
good.
You know, say I want to hire show and tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, intelligent.
So we have to
girl.
put on our college fund farm now?
Yeah, we're going to do that early.
Alright, no problem. Alright, continue your studies. Yeah, little girl?
Me have to get up with a plan for send the little girl to go back to her mother. Because she can't stay here, you know. She can't stay here. Oh, me have a plan. Watch me and you. Yeah.
Alright guys, you have reached the end of the movie. Please let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you guys want more movies like this. So with this movie, we are planning to put it in a 5-part like web series. Yes, I know I could make a 1-hour movie, but that's boring. We're doing something different on my channel. So each and every Saturday, you guys can come over here for Stepmother part few next week Saturday. You understand me? I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and comment. And please remember to share, tell a friend to tell a friend. The goddess is out. Boom!